Okay, another Taylor quickie. These are great for snacks, and they're great for your tea. You can have your tea with some chips and some gravy. This is mince. This is mincemeat, which has got onions and mushrooms in, which I made the other week. I showed you the recipe of how to make the other week. So what I thought I'd do with this, nice and quickly, is we can make some pasties, little snack size pasties with this in it, and this should be pretty good. I made it yesterday, so it's set. I needed it to set. So if we make our circles, before putting anything on, I'm just going to a little bit around the outside. Only want it on the outside here, just on this bit. This is your ready mixed puff pastry, 99p from the shop. So this is excellent for making these sort of meals midweek. Great for the kids. Kids love this sort of stuff.